Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fuel pump on a GMC Yukon. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a floor jack, sturdy jack stands, and a specialized fuel line disconnect tool. Safety is paramount, so ensure your work area is well ventilated and completely free of any open flames or potential spark sources. Always begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to eliminate any electrical risks before you start working on the fuel system. Now, let's get to the fuel tank. Safely raise your Yukon using a reliable floor jack, then secure it firmly on jack stands for stability. Before disconnecting anything, you must relieve the fuel system pressure. Typically, you'll find a Schrader valve on the fuel rail for this. Once the pressure is gone, carefully disconnect all fuel lines and electrical connectors that lead to the fuel tank, being mindful of any residual fuel. With the lines disconnected, it's time to remove the tank. Use a transmission jack or a second floor jack to support the fuel tank's weight. Then, unbolt and remove the fuel tank straps, slowly lowering the tank from its position. Once the tank is accessible, carefully remove the old fuel pump assembly from the tank opening. Install your new fuel pump, ensuring all seals and gaskets are correctly seated for a leak-free fit. Now, let's put everything back together. Carefully raise the fuel tank back into its original position, then securely reattach the tank straps. Reconnect all fuel lines and electrical connectors, making sure each connection is firm and clicks into place. Lower the vehicle, then turn the ignition to prime the new pump a few times before starting the engine. Check for any leaks and ensure proper operation. For other great deals, and to grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.